yard.
Yeah, that's a mess.
So we have to go up again. You're not
I'm surprised they don't have the freaking EMI up there or whatever the fuck it is. Yeah, man.